There's a version of you the world hasn't met yet. The focused version. The relentless version. The version of you that doesn't back down, doesn't make excuses, doesn't wait around for permission. That version of you, they're not some distant fantasy. They're not waiting for the right time to appear. They're already inside you. You've just been trained to ignore them. We live in a world that teaches us how to blend in. Be realistic. Stay safe. Don't dream too big. Don't stand out too much. But here's the truth. You weren't born to be ordinary. You were built for something greater, something powerful, something uncommon. And deep down you already know it. There's a fire in you that refuses to die. You've buried it under fear, under self-doubt, under years of listening to voices that weren't yours. But the winner in you, the disciplined, focused, driven version of you, they've never stopped breathing. They've just been waiting for you to stop playing small. If something in this is already hitting you, if it feels like I'm describing that voice inside you that's been waiting to break out, hit that subscribe button now. This channel is built for people like you, people who know they were meant for more. Now let's talk about how to let them out. Step 1. Silence the outside noise. You can't become the best version of yourself if you're addicted to opinions, distractions, or validation. The real you can't grow in an environment that constantly questions your worth. Stop trying to be understood by people who gave up on becoming who they were meant to be. Let them go. Let the doubts go. Let the approval-seeking go. Because once you stop needing everyone's permission, you start unlocking your own power. Step 2. Create different habits. The winning version of you doesn't show up after a pep talk. They show up when your actions align with your purpose. You want to meet them? Start doing what they would do. Wake up earlier. Train harder. Think deeper. Show up consistently. Ignore the voice that says, "Not today," and listen to the one that says, "Let's get it anyway." The version of you that wins, they're not motivated, they're committed. And that's the difference. Step 3. Burn the exit plan. As long as you keep a back door open, you'll never go all in. You've got to stop treating your dream like a side hobby. Make the decision, cut off retreat. Show up like this is the only option, because if it truly matters to you, it is. The version of you that wins doesn't tiptoe into greatness. They dive headfirst. They bet on themselves fully, loudly, and without apology. And once you do that, your life starts to shift, not overnight, but undeniably. If this message is striking something real, if you know it's time to stop living as the watered-down version of who you really are, click that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment. The winner in me is ready. Because this isn't just a channel, it's a call to step into the person you were always meant to be. Step 4. Start seeing pain differently. The version of you that wins, they don't avoid discomfort, they grow through it. While others retreat, they lean in. While others complain, they adapt. While others quit, they evolve. Success doesn't ask who's the most talented. It asks who's still standing when most people would have given up. You want to meet the strongest version of yourself? Start enduring the process that shapes them. There is no shortcut, no cheat code, no easy road to becoming unstoppable. There is only work, belief, sacrifice, and showing up even when it's hard. The reason you haven't met that next level version of yourself yet isn't because they're not real. It's because they only show up when things get real. And you're ready for that now. Let me be clear. There is nothing wrong with you right now. You're not broken, you're not behind, you're not too late. But you've been playing under your potential. You've been living in your comfort zone. And you've been listening to voices that don't believe in your greatness. It's time to break that. Subscribe now if you're ready to unleash what's been locked inside. Drop a comment and declare it. I'm done playing small. From this moment forward, you're no longer waiting to be chosen. You're choosing yourself. You're no longer hiding your light, you're setting it on fire. And when the world asks how you did it, you'll look them in the eyes and say, I stopped waiting. I made a decision, and I let the winner in me take control. The version of you that wins has always been there. Strong, fearless, relentless, unshaken. Now it's time to let them out. Not tomorrow, not when it feels easier, Not when everything's perfect. Right now, let's go.